good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the divine promise. You are not alone. Ladies and gentlemen, across the immeasurable vastness of the cosmos, where galaxies breathe in silence and time moves without urgency, one creation stands apart in quiet sophistication. The human being, not by size or strength, but by design and its embedded program. Each human life emerges as a finely tuned convergence of matter, energy, awareness, and intention, capable not only of survival but of perception, meaning, and connection. It is precision with purpose. Modern science now confirms what ancient wisdom intuited. Nothing exists in isolation. At the most fundamental level, reality is a continuous field of interacting energies. The human body itself is not merely biological matter, but an electromagnetic system, neurons firing, the heart generating measurable fields, thoughts altering chemistry, intention shaping behavior. Human existence participates in a far larger energetic architecture. Within this architecture lies a rarely articulated truth. The human system is designed and inherently programmed not only to generate but to receive and to share equally. Neuroscience shows that the brain recalibrates under trust and reassurance. Psychology demonstrates that sincere expression of vulnerability reorganizes perception and reduces cognitive load. Physics reminds that resonance occurs when frequencies align. Ancient traditions, long before instruments existed, called this alignment prayer, communion, or seeking. When help is genuinely needed and sincerely conveyed, something subtle yet powerful occurs. Intention sharpens, mental noise settles, the human energy field enters coherence. In that state, awareness widens and possibilities previously unseen become visible. This is systemic responsiveness. Cosmos listens and responds. The universe as current cosmology suggests, is governed by consistent laws. Life on Earth unfolds within an ecosystem of mutual support. Trees exchange nutrients underground and breath above. Cells signal distress to immune systems. Stars collapse so heavier elements may exist. Seeking help is not a weakness within this order. It is its language. Ancient wisdom described this as divine promise that cosmic intelligence, far greater than an individual or even combined human capacity, remains accessible for help, not to override effort, but to guide and support when sincerely called upon during difficulty or challenges while in pursuit of dharma or righteous duty. When a human mind acknowledges limitation without surrendering responsibility, guidance emerges, sometimes as clarity, sometimes as courage, sometimes as an unexpected opening in circumstances. This design ensures that human progress is not solitary. Each life is meant to grow, stabilize, and then contribute, sharing strength, knowledge, and care for others. Assistance received becomes assistance given. Energy flows, never accumulates. What's the way forward? The way forward is in rhythm, coherence, and alignment. To act fully and harmoniously with one's abilities while remaining in communion with the divine cosmic intelligence for guidance, especially when the path grows unclear. Such asking then requires no ritual, no doctrine, only genuine authenticity. In that state of resonance, effort and grace operate together. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in moments of certainty, action suffices. In moments of doubt, connection sustains. This balance was articulated with timeless clarity in the revered Bhagavad Gita, where Lord Krishna affirms the enduring assurance embedded within existence itself. Those who seek refuge with sincerity are never left unaided. Support arrives in the moment it is truly needed. This is the divine promise, not of a life without challenge but of companionship within it. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.